Okay, this is um, please fix washed out colors in self-lit or backlit di- display devices. Um, I discovered a fix just now. My notice how the colors are washed out before I bring the flashlight of my phone into the frame. So if anybody wants their videos to look better, I guess the short-term fix is to use a flashlight. And then crop out the camera, the flashlight. I mean, keep it short. I'm asking Google to fix this in Android, um, and I'm also asking for someone to pay me for my trouble. Thank you. My name is Matt Ford. That's Ford like the car. I'll get a Bitcoin wallet as soon as possible. My email address is Ford97495 @gmail.com. My phone number is 415-271-9646. Thank you. Goodbye.